Hello everyone. So before getting started with variables, I want to tell you something about Jupyter Notebook. Like you can make your own notes in Jupyter Notebook by giving some heading of the topic, title, like you can choose from here markdown and just give your heading like this, variables, and after this you can work upon them. So what are variables? Now suppose you want to store two numbers and add them. So how you can do this? So let's store a first number like this in a variable named a. Next one, now I want to add these numbers, so a plus b. One thing you have noticed that I haven't given the print command over this sum, but still it is giving me some output. So in Jupyter Notebook, this output is the output of the particular cell. So whatever you have written at the end of this cell, it will be printed at the end. So like this, now you can add some other like 10.22 b equals to 10. You can add them to a plus b. Oh sorry, unexpected indentation. Yeah. So like this you can add you can store values in variables and use them for their further computation. One thing I want to tell you, your variable shouldn't not start with a number like 1 a b c equal 10. It will give you a syntax error that your variable cannot start with a number. It can start with a underscore. Yeah, it's perfectly alright. Like a equals to 10, it's fine, it's following our rules. Like a b c, it's a string, you can give it anything, it will also perfect, but you can't use number before add any letter as a variable. Here you will get a syntax error.